I don't know if you've been around anybody who's going through menopause or if you've been through menopause yourself, but it is rough on the body. Are there any workplace protections for menopause or perimenopause? Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people who've been fired or afraid that they might be. And the answer is sort of. First of all, Rhode Island has become the first state to pass a law that specifically provides workplace protections for people going through menopause and perimenopause. It allows women to request reasonable accommodations resulting from symptoms that they experience going through perimenopause and menopause. For example, bathroom breaks, even time to work from home if symptoms are particularly bad. It essentially mirrors the kind of process that exists under the Americans with Disabilities Act, and other states will be moving that direction, I believe. New York State has a similar piece of legislation under consideration. For those of you in other states, you're not completely without protection. The Americans with Disabilities Act does not specifically cover menopause, but it could cover some of the symptoms because they interfere with major bodily functions. For instance, if you're having extreme hot flashes, and if you're having other kind of really extreme physical symptoms, then those could be covered under the Americans with Disabilities Act, and you would be entitled to reasonable accommodations. So it's helpful to have your doctor to participate in this, to explain to your employer, what your symptoms are, and to really tie it with the Americans with Disabilities Act. Of course, it helps to have an attorney with that process too. Sometimes doctors don't quite get the letters right, although their hearts are in the right place. So there are some workplace protections. Rhode Island is the only state specifically with these protections. I expect other states to go this way. Jack Tuckner, who you can find on TikTok, does a lot of great information on legal protections for menopause. So congratulations to Rhode Island. We look forward to more states moving that way. But understand that in the meantime, if you're experiencing really severe symptoms, you may be covered under the Americans with Disabilities Act. If you have concerns about that, you should consult with an attorney who specializes in employment law. Good luck out there, guys.